where science meets ancient wisdom. Every animal inspected, every batch traced, from rural farms to modern facilities, a temple to healing. Ancient formulas, measured precisely. This is where science honors tradition. 3 parts vertebra, 2 parts rib, 1 part skull. A recipe unchanged. For centuries, traditional medicine has looked to nature. Today, science meets ancient wisdom. Raised in controlled environments, treated with respect, these snakes serve a purpose. Selected for health, raised for quality, only the best continue the journey.
This batch looks promising.
Every animal inspected, every batch documented, traceability from farm to capsule.
Weight and length are good. Overall health is excellent. Approving for next station.
Ethical processing, regulated standards. This is modern, traditional medicine. Careful with the midsection. Ready for transfer. Preserved, labeled, ready for transport. The journey to the factory begins. Cold preserves, cold protects. The raw material waits for its journey. Temperature controlled, GPS tracked. This cargo is precious. This is where tradition becomes medicine, where raw becomes refined.
Every shipment verified, every batch traced, no shortcuts.
Shipping manifest confirmed, scanning barcode.
Batch verified, approved for entry.
Arrived, received, ready. The transformation is about to begin.
Where ancient wisdom meets modern science. A temple to healing. Respect for the past, technology for the future. Both live here. We stand on the shoulders of ancestors. Their wisdom guides our science. Before entering the clean zone, every worker transforms. Sterility is sacred. Every particle removed, every precaution taken, the product must be pure. This is the heart of transformation, where raw material becomes medicine. Frozen in time, preserved in purity, the cleaning begins. Every fragment inspected, every impurity removed, by hand, by eye. Ultrasonic waves reach where brushes cannot, clean to the microscopic level. Pure water, pure bone, purification continues. Complete dryness, essential for grinding, essential for medicine. Vertebrae for joints, ribs for blood, skulls for mind. Ancient wisdom organizes. From skeleton to gravel, the first step toward absorption. Finer and finer, each pass brings us closer to medicine. Finer and finer, each pass brings us closer to medicine. Hours of grinding, particle by particle, until the bone becomes one with the powder. Bone becomes powder, solid becomes dust. The essence is extracted. Separated by source, valued by tradition, ready for transformation. Ancient formulas, measured precisely. This is where science honors tradition. 3 parts vertebra, 2 parts rib, 1 part skull. A recipe unchanged for centuries. 3 parts vertebra, 2 parts rib, 1 part skull. A recipe unchanged for centuries. From fine dust to uniform granules, capsules demand consistency. Perfectly sized, perfectly uniform, perfectly ready. The final transformation. Bone powder becomes medicine. Ancient wisdom becomes daily wellness. $40,000 capsules per hour, each one perfectly oriented. Automation never sleeps. $500 milligrams, exactly, every time. Human hands cannot match this precision. Cameras inspect every capsule. One imperfect seal, rejected. No exceptions. Polished to perfection. Every capsule looks as good as it is. 60 capsules per bottle, counted by light, guaranteed accurate. Humans watch, machines execute, quality is guaranteed. The cap must be perfect, not too loose, not too tight. Goldilocks precision. Tamper evident, consumer safe. If the seal is broken, you'll know. Branding with precision, information with accuracy. Every label tells a story. Bottle becomes box, product becomes package, ready for the world. Weight reveals truth. Missing capsule? Rejected. Extra leaflet? Rejected. Perfection only. The final touch, the last protection. Now they're ready for transport. Random samples. Every batch. If the lab rejects it, the whole batch stops. Every test recorded, every result tracked. The capsule's final exam begins. In your stomach, they must dissolve. This machine proves they will.
Chemistry reveals truth. The active compounds must be present, exactly as tradition demands.
No heavy metals, no toxins, pure enough for the most sensitive body. Signed, stamped, approved. This batch is now medicine. From individual bottles to full pallets, ready for the journey. Plastic armor, stable stacks, ready for the road. Labeled, scanned, tracked. This pallet now has a destination.
And this is how modern factories produce snake skeletons. Ancient wisdom made for today.